Hi, everyone! Today we're featuring Dazuma's premium luxury modern wall, sconces, and LED linear crystal chandeliers for the living room. The package includes one accessory kit containing 2 mountings, screws, and 2 screw caps. 1 product unit. First, remove the mounting screws on both sides of the product base and set them aside safely. Please remove the metal plate used to secure the custom-made product. Place the product's metal mounting plate where you intend to install it, then mark and drill the holes. Hammer the 2 rivets into the 2 holes. Install the 2 mounting screws included in the product's mounting plate and accessory kit. Connect the power cord from the product base to your power source. We recommend that 2 people perform this task. Reinstall the mounting screws on both sides of the product bases that were previously removed. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.